Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year to all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your hosting card domain in Google Search Console. Okay, so I'm gonna open my browser and I'm going to open add new domain. So in this case, I'm going to use domain property URL prefix. I'm not going to use in this video. I will show you to in the next video. Okay, so the domain name is speakage.in. Speakage.in, and I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so here they are asking that to add txt record. Okay, so you can also do cname record, but I'm going to add txt record. So here you have given txt record. I'm just going to copy it to my clipboard, and I'm going to head back to my hosting guard and going to domain property. And there are lots of domain actually I have. So two domain actually I have. So I'm going to hit manage domain. Okay, so then after that I'm going to click enter this, like here DNS and name server. Okay, so I'm going to click DNS and name server, and I'm going to here add record. Okay, so I'm going to here add txt record. Okay, so add record. So here I'm going to paste the value, and here I'm going to add record. This guy, I'm going to just verifying it. Okay, so domain ownership verified. Okay, so go to property. So as you can see that my domain is verified. So I just did a mistake there. I just click verify letter. So I have to just verify, click there. So that is the way. So you can verify your domain with hosting guard. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. If you like, please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you. I will see you in the next time.